We're here on the Los Angeles River to take a look at fish.
I can't believe there are even fish in this river. I thought it was a concrete flood control program.
Today, much of the river flows through concrete banks. Historically, this was a large river system with its own unique ecology.
Now, could the river ever be restored? I mean, would that even be safe?
The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers is evaluating several different scenarios to do just that. The idea is to promote the recovery of native species like plants and fish.
Wow, that'd be amazing, but it would be a huge project. How would that even happen?
Well, rivers are important spawning grounds for many species of fish, so some of the original floodplains would have to be restored. Also encouraging native plant species to grow in the soft bottoms of the river in order to increase and improve water quality. And there's lots more. It'll be a very big project.
So how does a fish recovery program work? Once the environment is cleaned, you just release fish into the river?
It's an ongoing process. Not every fish that's released will survive. Some are eaten by predators, some will die from illness, and still others will just never return to spawn. So every year there will be a decline in the number of fish by a certain amount.
So our model is a recursive one. The number of fish in a given year will be a small percentage of the number of fish from the previous year.
Yes. Of course, if the fish start to spawn, then there will be a certain percentage of new fish born every year.
And new fish can be stocked from hatcheries as well. So our model is a recursive one with losses and gains from the previous year, plus new fish added to the river.
That's right. And that's what a number of groups are hoping will happen here. Now, it will require a lot of management, counting fish, determining stressors on fish, and estimating spawning and mortality rates.
But what a treasure that would be to have a living river system running throughout our city. Has this ever been attempted before?
It has, and it often starts at the community level. Take, for instance, Cascade Creek in Erie, Pennsylvania. The restoration of that urban creek was started by a local 8th grade class, and today it's a healthy creek stocked with trout.
No kidding!
No kidding. And that inspired other local city schools to do the same with local watersheds.
I love that you don't need a PhD to understand the issues and get involved.
Of course, it is important to take into consideration community safety alongside the benefits of a healthy ecosystem. But you're right, it's not difficult to understand the models, and it helps you to come up with the best solution.
And you can go for a hike on a beautiful day next to a river.
Right? Let's hike.
Yeah.